Hello dear friends on my YouTube channel, Learn Maths, IGA IMIBARE. Let's hope you are doing fine. Now we have this question. We need to show that the sine of 10 degrees times the sine of 50 degrees times the sine of 70 degrees is equal to 1 over 8. I want you to watch this video guys till the end of it. Let's now start. We know that sine A times sine B, this is minus half of cosine A plus B minus the cosine of A minus B. Now let's find sine 50 degrees, sine 70 degrees. This is a half of minus half here is minus half. This is 50 degrees plus 70 degrees minus cosine 50 degrees minus 70 degrees. And from this is equal to negative half of cosine 120 degrees then minus cosine of minus 20 degrees. We know that the cosine of minus angle theta is the same as cosine theta. Now sine 50 degrees, sine 70 degrees. This is minus a half of, this cosine of 120 is minus a half. This is minus a half minus the cosine of 20 degrees according to this property here. So this is equal to, take this minus half and multiply inside here. We have 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 times cosine of 20 degrees. Now the next is we need to multiply by the sine of 10. Here sine 10 degrees times sine 50 degrees times sine 70 degrees. This is equal to the sine of 10 degrees into this stuff here is this, it's minus 1 over 4, it's 1 over 4 plus we need to add 1 over 4 times cosine of 20 degrees. From this I want to multiply this sine inside here to have this will be 1 over 4 times the sine of 10 degrees, the sine of 10 degrees plus 1 over 4 times sine of 10 degrees and then multiply by cosine of 20 degrees. Okay, we know also that sine A cosine B is equal to a half of, we have sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. This is what we know. So from this we have a quarter of sine 10 degrees plus 1 over 4 times this we have a half of, we have sine 10 plus 20, this is 30 degrees plus sine 10 minus 20, that is minus 10. Hope you are getting this. Okay, we have 1 over 4 sine 10 degrees plus 1 over 4 open bracket, we have a half of, here the sine of 30 degrees is a half, this is a half of, okay, and here is we have minus the sine of 10 from the fact that sine of negative theta is equal to minus sine of theta. Now you see we have 1 over 4 times sine of 10 degrees plus 1 over 4 into this in here we have 1 over 4, but here is a half, here is a half, that's why here is a half, here is a half, 1 half, even here is a half. Okay, here was a half, this times this. Okay, now let's add, here is 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4 times sine of 10 degrees. Okay, here is 1 over 2, sorry, this is a quarter of sine 10 degrees, this times this is plus 1 over 8, this times this we have minus 1 over 4 sine of 10 degrees. You see this stuff and this are similar and they have opposite signs. Here is minus, while here is positive. That's why this and this will cancel one another to stay with, let's write the answer here, and here we stay with 1 over 8. So this is the proof of our question and it's 1 over 8 as have been given to show it. Thank you very much for watching. I want you, before leaving, subscribe on my channel, you like, you share, Your comments are very important. May heaven God be with you all the time, my friends.